Good morning, class.
Good morning.
How are you doing? How was the weekend? It was fun. Yes. Yeah. So today, I'm Mr. Eric. I will be taking you through understanding Visual Basic 6.0 data types, and the following will be our learning outcomes. So we'll define what is the data types. Number two, we will state the common data types in 3D. Yeah. And then we will finish by I'll give you an assignment. So I'd like you to sign against your name, and then you'll give me the roll call after we are done with the lesson. Okay? So let's start signing. You sign against your name. Don't sign for your friend. Okay? So why did the VP programmer leave his girlfriend? Her girlfriend. His girlfriend, yeah. Why do you think the VP programmer left her girlfriend? Yes, Mr. Reginald.
He was,
Please, I think.
according to me,
Yes.
I think the programmer failed to try to balance between the relationship and being a programmer. He had some difficulties in
Okay.
just against. Yes.
That's a good try. Let's appreciate him. So we will appreciate him in this way. So we'll do soft copy and copy. Soft copy, hard copy, hard copy, soft copy. Okay, thank you, Mr. Reginald. But bado utapata. So the VP programmer left his girlfriend, and this is because the girlfriend could not differentiate where to store the unga and the sugar. So he used to put them in the same container. Okay? Yes. So basically that brings us to our topic of understanding the visual basic data type. So talking about data type, we are talking about a container. So like as I have given you an illustration of why the VP programmer left his girlfriend. It's because the girl could not differentiate between the container inafaa kuwekwa sukari na inafaa kuwekwa chumvi. So he left him because of that. So for us, we need data types so that we can save memory. So we need data types so that we can save memory and also avoid errors. So that is why we need data types in a computer so that we can save the memory. So, for example, if this girlfriend could have built herself, maybe let's think of we have this container for 1 kg and this one for half kg. And Mzee has brought 1.5 kg, 1 kg salt and half sugar. So if the girlfriend needs to refill these containers, so they will fill the containers depending on the content. Is it all right? So what will, what will, uh, what will happen if he mixes the salt and sugar? definitely sitamwagika. This is because chumvi inafaa kuingia 1 kg, sukari inafaa kuingia ni sugar. So the containers in a program was contain different kind of items or values, then zina differ and they need different memory spaces. So we have 4 common types or data types. The first one is an integer, denoted as int. So this one is used to store all numbers. This is used to store all numbers. So where can I store my phone number? In which kind of data type? Integer. Which is another example of an integer? Can use maybe the age of a person. Anything that does not have a decimal, you can store it in an integer. Then we have another one, is a string. This is used to store text. So if we want to store the name of a person, where will when we store it? In a string. The second last is a double. So this is used to store decimal numbers. And you will realize that all these data types, they have different memory spaces. So the memory that is allocated to store the double is not the same that is allocated to store a string. And then we have the last one is boolean. This is used to store logical conditions. So, for example, let me use an example. One of you. Is Melvin a soldier?
No.
So the answer is
No.
no. So the same way, we will find that boolean it deals with something that is logical. A condition that we need to apply some, maybe we need to analyze the situation and check if the condition is true or false. So if the condition is true, the computer now stores 1. If the condition is false, it stores 0. A good example of 1 and 0 is a switch. Switch hizi zinatumiwa kuzima nini? Simnaona imeandikwa hivi. Off ni gani? So this is off. And this is on. So mnaona hizi ni vitu zina apply in this life. Yeah, so for you to become a good programmer, you need to understand the various data types. So we have come to the end of our lesson. I'll give you an assignment. So assignment. So you will submit it to your portfolio, and next time make sure that you come with a laptop so that you can write this program. And our next lesson will be on declaring data types. Thank you. So can I have my assignment sheet? Okay, Kimei. Very good. Jose. Akiman. Present. Thank you. Class dismissed.